In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting as a guest. If someone has sent you a Teams meeting link and you don't want to sign in with a Microsoft account, the good news is that you can usually still join as a guest. This is a quick process, and once you know where to click, it becomes very easy to repeat anytime you're invited to a meeting. To begin, open the Teams meeting link so you arrive at the meeting preview screen. This is the page where Microsoft Teams gets everything ready before you enter the meeting. You may see options related to your account, along with settings for things like your camera and microphone. Take a moment here to confirm that you're on the correct meeting page and that the preview screen has fully loaded. Next, look for the change option and click on it. This step is important because it lets you switch the way you plan to join the meeting. If Teams is trying to connect you using an account automatically, this menu gives you another path so you can enter as a guest instead. If you don't notice the option right away, scan the area near the sign-in or profile section on the preview screen, since that's where it typically appears. After clicking change, select Join without signing in. This is the option that allows you to continue as a guest rather than logging into Microsoft. Once you choose it, Teams may ask you to enter a display name. If that happens, type the name you want other meeting participants to see. It's a good idea to use a clear, recognizable name so the meeting host knows who is requesting access. From there, continue following the on-screen prompts to finish entering the meeting. Depending on the meeting settings, you may join right away or wait briefly in the lobby until the organizer admits you. That part is completely normal, especially for meetings with guest access controls enabled. Before you join, it's also worth checking that your microphone and camera are set the way you want. If you're joining a professional meeting, muting your microphone at first can help avoid background noise. And if your browser asks for permission to use your mic or camera, be sure to allow it if you want those features to work. And that's it. By going to the meeting preview screen, clicking change, and choosing join without signing in, you can join a Microsoft Teams meeting as a guest quickly and smoothly.